Santa Claus caught having vacation recovery of his life. You must see this footage. Santa Claus, also known as Kris Kringle, was up and about today in high spirits, doing his rounds and doing what he does best, that is, being Santa Claus.
We done? It's a wrap. Sweet. Woo-hoo! Come to Papa.
Not to be outdone, Santa Claus seemed to be an avid dancehall fan. We caught him putting it down.
She in a shot up shots of the thing a fling way. One me a look from the object there. Dog, if you want look some girl, if you want live with a friend, if you want smoke some trace. Yeah. Ha ho.
Time seemed to stand still working with the big guy. But then it all came to a crashing truth. He had to leave, and he had to leave fast.